Welcome to this presentation on GATE 2026 registration. The Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, or GATE, is one of the most important exams for engineering graduates. It not only opens doors to higher education in India's top institutes, but also creates opportunities for careers in prestigious organizations. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about registering for GATE 2026. GATE has three key benefits. First, it's the primary exam for admission into MTech, ME and PhD programs at IITs, NITs and IISc. Second, it's widely used by leading PSUs like ONGC, NTPC, BHEL, DRDO and ISRO for recruitment. And third, it's one of India's toughest engineering exams with around 7 to 8 lakh candidates competing every year. Clearing GATE proves your academic and professional excellence. Let's take note of the key dates. Registration begins on August 28, 2025. The last date to apply with the regular fee is September 28, 2025, while late registration with an extra fee is allowed until October 9, 2025. The exam itself will be conducted on February 7, 8, 14 and 15, 2026. Results will be announced on March 19, 2026. Mark these dates carefully to avoid missing out. Remember, missing deadlines means waiting an entire year for the next chance. Set reminders for each key date, registration, exam, and result announcement so you stay on track with your GATE journey. Now, who is eligible to apply? Any student in their final year or those who have completed BE, BTech, BArch, BSc, BA, or BCom can apply. Master's degree holders in science, mathematics, or statistics are also eligible. There are no age restrictions, and international candidates from countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Ethiopia, and the UAE can also appear for GATE 2026. The registration process is simple. Visit the official website gate2026.iitg.ac.in and open the GOPS portal. Create an account using your email and mobile number, fill in your details and academic information, upload required documents, pay the registration fee online, and finally confirm your application. Don't forget to download the confirmation page for future use. To avoid delays, keep your documents ready. This includes a scanned passport photo, signature, and a valid photo ID such as Aadhaar, passport, or PAN. You'll also need your degree certificate or final year mark sheet. If applicable, category and PWD certificates are required. Make sure all scans are clear and in the correct format. The application fee for female SC, ST and PWD candidates is 1000 rupees in the regular window and 1500 rupees with late fee. For all other candidates, it is 2000 in the regular window and 2500 rupees with late fee. Payments can be made via credit or debit card, net banking or UPI. Remember, fees are non-refundable. GATE 2026 will have 30 papers including a new paper on energy science. Each paper is 3 hours long with 65 questions totaling 100 marks. The exam follows a computer-based test format and includes multiple choice, multiple select and numerical answer type questions. Of the 100 marks, 85 are for technical subjects and 15 for general aptitude. Candidates can choose 2 papers in certain combinations. For example, aerospace engineering can be paired with civil, mechanical, or engineering sciences. Similarly, computer science can be combined with data science, electronics, geomatics, mathematics, physics, or statistics. This option helps broaden your opportunities, but it depends on exam infrastructure and scheduling. Here are some quick tips. Register early to avoid last-minute server issues. Verify all your details before submitting. Ensure that your documents are scanned properly. Keep your payment options ready. And finally, save and print your confirmation page for safety. To sum up, registration opens on August 28, 2025 at gate2026.iitg.ac.in. Apply before September 28 to avoid late fees. If needed, late registration is open till October 9. Start your preparation early and stay disciplined. This is your chance to secure a bright engineering future with GATE 2026.